just wanna be in love with you. I just wanna put it down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out when I upload. I am doing another BoxyCharm unboxing video. So first, what I really like about BoxyCharm is like you get like hundreds of dollars worth of makeup in here for like just $21 a month. So that's super dope. And this one is for the June box. Now, last video was the box that was sent to me. I believe it was for the month of May, but I was just added to the PR list, so I didn't get it as early as everyone else. But this one just came a few days ago. My makeup is sort of bare again, but I did add some highlight, and then I was like, girl, why you do that? You don't know what you got up in this box. But it was too late, so I did it. I have on no lipstick, I have on no lashes. I'm just gonna bust this open and let's see what we have. So the first thing that I opened up is the Luxy Beauty brushes. Now we have the 516 Dual Fiber Powder, the 660 Precision Foundation, and the Tapered Highlighter 522 brush. Now, the Dual Fiber Powder brush, I love it because the top of it kind of has this like, I don't even know how to describe it, this like skinny thing here. And then it's like the brush in the middle kind of thing. I really more so like this because of the look, to be honest with you. And then the Precision Foundation brush, I love it because I am so into brushes right now as far as applying liquids and foundations and stuff. I haven't been really using the sponges, so this is going to be really cool and I can't wait to see how it works. And then we have the Tapered Highlighter brush, which I think is pretty cool because when applying highlighters, it can be a little tricky sometimes. And the fact that it's kind of angled this way kind of gives you a little bit more precision when applying it so you don't have it all over the place. What I have is the Jante Blue eyeliner, and this eyeliner pencil is in the color dark brown. So this is really cool. It's always good to have a really good brown eyeliner on hand. So right now, this is the Afra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick and Verona. And I'm just going to try this out now since I don't have on a lipstick. We could just see how it looks. Very nude and pretty. So this is how this one looks, and I think it's really cool, nice and nude. And what I probably end up doing, add like a darker lip liner just to kind of let it blend in a little bit better to my skin color. But to be honest with you, I don't mind rocking my lips like this. So I'll probably leave it like this and rock it for the day because I'm just trying to have something real natural for today. Okay, so I've seen the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and this is from Sol de Janeiro. I'm really hoping I said it right because I'm not really good with pronouncing names. I've seen it all over the place and I've been wanting to get my hands on it. So I'm really happy that I got it. It smells really freaking good. It kind of has like a fruity / pastry smell going on. Smells amazing and the texture feels amazing as well. So this is going to be really cool. Okay, so what I have, and I think this is my favorite thing out of the palette, is the Alamar Cosmetics palette. The Reina de Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1. I've never heard of this brand, but the colors are so summery and pretty. You can see I already dipped into them because I was swatching them out for the video. And these colors are super freaking amazing. I'm gonna absolutely love using it, and I cannot wait to create some looks with this. So we have the La Costa, Veradero, Coco Taxi, and Guantanamera right here. And then right next to it is the El Melicon, Celia, Tropico, and Cafecito. Guys, I sound so slow trying to read these names, I'm not gonna lie. Now this blue one right there, that's my favorite. That stuff is popping, it's bold, and it's shining. But yeah, these colors are really bomb. So this is really dope and I'm super freaking excited. So let's move on to the next thing. What do we have? This is, it says Baddington Lashes, and I've never heard of them. And it's the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. These are cute, these are bomb. These are really bomb. I'll probably end up putting these on after the video. I don't have any lashes today. I'm in the process of moving, so I kind of packed up all of my makeup and just left out like the basics. I forgot to put a pair of lashes in there, so I'm lashless, but these are gonna be my lashes for the week until I get to New York. So I'm really dope. These are really cute, very flirty. So I'm excited to try these out. So yeah, I mean, like I said, you can't beat it. You probably hear the thunder and stuff. It's raining outside. I do apologize. But I'm gonna love creating some stuff with these. And I'm super excited to see what I'm going to get next month. Like, BoxyCharm is so dope right now. And I'm so glad I'm able to try out new products I've never tried before. So that's like a plus, like super plus. That's kind of it for the unboxing because it's like everything in the box. So thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed it, if you guys received the box too, let me know what you guys enjoyed the most out of the box. And let me know what kind of videos you want to see me do next. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out. And I'll see you next time. Bye.